How to fix YouTube library option not showing. To fix YouTube library option not showing, watch the video till the end. Without much ado, let's get started. Locate and launch your YouTube app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign in to your particular account. As you can see on the home feed at bottom of the screen, we don't find the library option. But previously, in the old version, we used to get the library option at the bottom of the screen among all those options. But in the updated version, instead of library, there is the U icon at bottom right corner of the screen. To fix this issue and get the option of library, exit from YouTube app on your device. Now you have to open settings on your device. Scroll a bit down and open the option of apps. Choose app management. Tap on the search bar at top of the screen and type in YouTube. Open the app info page of YouTube. Scroll down and tap on three dots at top right corner of the screen. Here is Install Update button. When you tap on it, you will stop installing updates and there will be old version of YouTube where you will get the library option. Depending upon your device, you need to locate your option for install update and easily tap on it. Once done, you will fix your issues of YouTube library not showing. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.